Let's open the book on page 52 to work on the language focus part of this unit. Structures which add emphasis 1. In this grammar spot, we're going to talk about structures we can use to add emphasis to a sentence. I hate the waste of human life in war. We're going to use this sentence as the base sentence. الثلاث structures يلي رح نستخدمهم بهيدي الحالة هني what, the thing, and it's, something, that, something. What I hate about war is the waste of human life. The thing I hate about war is the waste of human life. And it's the waste of human life that I hate about war. ناخد example تاني يلي هو war changes or the war changed people's lives forever. هيدي الجملة رح تكون البيس sentence بهيدا الإكزامبل. لحتى نأكد على هيدي المعلومة إنه الحرب بتغير حياة العالم للأبد، فينا نستخدم 3 طرق يلي هن What war does is change people's lives forever. إذا كنا عم نحكي بشكل عام. أما إذا عم نحكي عن حرب ماضية وعم نحكي عن الآثار تبعولها فبتصير What the war did was change people's lives forever. تاني طريقة هي The thing war does is change people's lives forever. And the thing the war did was change people's lives forever. أما تالت طريقة فرح نستخدم فيها something, which is something war does is change people's lives forever. And in the past it becomes something the war did was change people's lives forever. Listen and repeat the sentences so they sound emphatic.
Tape script 6.2. A.
I hate the waste of human life in war.
What I hate about war is the waste of human life.
The thing I hate about war is the waste of human life.
It's the waste of human life that I hate.
B.
War changes people's lives forever.
What war does is change people's lives forever.
The thing war does is change people's lives forever.
Something the war did was change people's lives forever.
Repeat these sentences as many times as needed so they sound emphatic. Let's talk more about using structures to add emphasis. Sentences can be emphasized by adding certain structures. They are called cleft or divided sentences. Look at this base sentence. Leon went to Spain. We can emphasize different parts of the sentence according to which element is the most important. What Leon did was to go to Spain. What in this case means the thing which Leon did or the thing that Leon did was to go to Spain. الشي يلي عمله ليون عمله لحتى يروح على إسبانيا. All that Leon did was to go to Spain. Or all that Leon did was go to Spain. بحسب المعنى يلي بدنا نعبر عنه. The only thing Leon did was go to Spain. Or the first thing Leon did was go to Spain. أول شي أو الشي الوحيد يلي عمله ليون كان هو إنه راح على إسبانيا. Where Leon went to was Spain. المكان يلي راح عليه ليون كان إسبانيا. Why Leon went to Spain was because, and then we mention the reason. It was Leon who went to Spain, or it was Leon that went to Spain. We can also emphasize the whole sentence. For example, what happened was that Leon went to Spain, or what surprised me was the fact that Leon went to Spain. And what interests me is why Leon went to Spain. بالثلاث حالات اللي مذكورين معنا هون الجملة كلها عم نعمل لها emphasis. Now, Try to do this quiz in which you have to change the sentences to add emphasis using the words in brackets. بعد ما خلصتوا الكويز خلينا نشوف كيف المفروض نحل هيدا السؤال. World War I liberated women. هون بدنا نستخدم what. So الجملة بدها تصير What liberated women was World War I. The Prime Minister's son was killed. إذا بدنا نستخدمها مع it بدها تصير It was the Prime Minister's son who was killed. Servants worked in big houses from the age of 10. هون بدنا نستخدم what surprised me. So الجملة كلها بدها تستخدم كemphasis. وبدنا نصير نكتبها على الشكل التالي. What surprised me was that servants worked in big houses from the age of 10. Blood donors were screened because they had to check for diseases. هون بدنا نستخدم why. معناته هون بدنا نعمل emphasis على reason يلي بيعملوا screening للبلود donors بسببه. So الجملة بدها تصير Why blood donors were screened was because they had to check for diseases. سبب فحوصات الدم كانت إنهم بحاجة ليتأكدوا إنه هيدا الدم خالي من الأمراض قبل ما يعطوا لأي من المرضى. وهيك منكون خلصنا حل أول part من ال language focus section لهيدا اليونت.